Hello professors, my name is Ryan, and on behalf of my team members Bruce, Laykit, and Arif, I will talk about our ICT1002 Python project, the Price Alert Monitor based on Lazada. It is split into two sections, an introduction of our system, where we talk about where data is taken from, where it's stored, and how we use the data in our graphic user interface and Telegram bot. We will demo it later on. Let's move back to our introduction of the system. First of all, data is taken from Lazada product URL. We scrape it using Beautiful Soup 4. It will be saved into a CSV file. In this CSV file, we will further clean and extract irrelevant details that we do not need. After this process is done, we will then save it into our SQL database. Let's take a look at our database. In this database, we have tables such as brand, category, item info, logs, seller, and URL. The CSV data is uploaded into these tables. As for the alert table, we will upload it based on user inputs from the graphic user interface or our Telegram bot. Now let us move on to our graphic user interface. The users are given three options. First, they can search for an item, such as Apple products. It will show all available Apple products in the store. Or they can look at the category such as smartphones and see that all the brands of smartphones in our database. However, if they can't find any item they like, they can add their own Lazada link. However, if they do not add a Lazada link, an error will show. For instance, you will say please enter a valid Lazada link. If a valid Lazada link is shown, it will say successfully added URL. Let's move on to a scenario whereby the user clicks on Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max price graph based on the past 3 months data. In this graph, we can see that the price of Apple iPhone 12 is quite constant at 1,700. However, there are certain dips at special sales such as the 10/10 sale, and it dips to around 1,600. If the user is interested in this Apple iPhone 12, he can say that his desired price is the sales price, and then he can also input his email. And if it's a valid price and valid email, they'll say successfully added the desired price and email. We can also see that in our database. It is updated that the price 1,600 and the email. Now I'd like to show how the alert appears in the email. When the price hits below 1,600 or hits 1,600, an alert will show like this. Item price has dropped. It will show the track item, it will show the price, and also the URL, so you can instantly go and purchase the product of your choice. Now I'll talk about our Telegram bot. When I press start, it will ask, do I want to add URL or a catalog? Let's look at the catalog, and we can see that it is split into category or brand. Let's say we want the same Apple iPhone. We can go to brand, and we can see that there's an Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. We can click it and we can say that what price range do we want. It can be either below 1702 or it can show below 1617. Other than that, the user also can know the price range. This can help the user determine what kind of price he wants to choose. Let's say I want to be notified when it drops below 1617. When I click it, they will say alert is created. So now I'll show you how the alert looks like in our Telegram bot. Now you can see that the alert shows and say that the price dropped to what price and then the URL. Thank you for listening to my walkthrough of our system and system demo.